What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So I wanted to talk to you about a specific ETF, an ETF that I've been interested in. I've been seeing a number of people talk about. I've also been looking into it a little bit. So I wanted to do a deeper dive analysis and give you everything you need to know on this specific ETF. You probably already know what it is. It's SPHD from the thumbnail and the title. So we're going to get into this analysis in a little bit. Before I start, please hit that like button. Also hit the subscribe button and notification bell for more videos just like this one, and get your free stocks with Webull and Robinhood in the description below. But SPHD, I hear, is absolutely amazing, right? Monthly paying dividend stock everybody wants to know, or ETF that they want to know about. People want to know, are they really a good buy? Are they consistent? Do you see any type of growth? All types of things. It really depends what you're trying to get out of this ETF, of this investment, and I can give you what I'm going to be potentially looking into as the days go on, as the weeks go on. So let's go ahead and dive right into this. So I have my Robinhood account up. I pulled up SPHD right here. They're currently at $33.46. They're up $39 today, or 39 cents today, not $39. They're up 39 cents today. And the after hours, they're up basically 3 cents. So you're probably asking yourself, hey, what's their production like in the last couple of weeks? I know it's kind of give or take because of the fact that we have the whole pandemic going on. So it's very tough to gauge any real investment. But how are they really doing? So in a week, they're actually up 49 cents. In the last month, they're down 53 cents. In the last 3 months, they're actually only down 2 cents. So if you invest in the last 3 months, or in the beginning of the last 3 months, then you can see that we kind of stayed flat here. And I'm thinking that that may be close to the case. You may stay flat short term. Long term, you might have some growth, or depending when you actually got in and when you're getting out, you might have a negative downturn for your investment. But if you look at 1 year, we're down $8.36, which may come into play with the pandemic because we had, obviously in March, that's where everything really hit the fan. But 5 years, we're up $2.08. So it's a consistent grower. I mean, if you look at it before the pandemic happened, in 5 years, you can see that it's a consistent grower. And that's not something you want to focus on when it comes to dividends. Yes, you want some growth, but you're more focused on the steady dividend payout, the strength of that ETF. So currently, let's go into some of the other statistics. 52-week high is $44.42. 52-week low is $25. So we're not too far off from the 52-week low. So that's really good, which means you could still get in low and sell high if you wanted to do it that way. But the main thing you want to focus on here is the dividend yield. That's what I like to focus on, is the 5.5 or 5.6% dividend yield. That's going to be a monthly dividend paying ETF that's going to be amazing for you, right? You're going to get paid every single month from this ETF, which is something you don't get from other companies. Some you do, like Realty Income, but some, like let's say AT&T, you get paid quarterly. So most stocks you're going to get paid quarterly, but these ETFs, the SPHD, you're getting paid monthly. So that's always a great thing. So my analysis of this stock is that, or this ETF, is that it's definitely great. From first sight, it's definitely great, right? Having a 5.6% dividend payout, dividend yield is going to be absolutely amazing. And what I like to focus on is, I like to say, are we going to get this dividend consistently? Have we been getting this dividend consistently? Is this a new dividend paying ETF? So I wanted to really jump into the dividend history here. So I actually have some dividend history for SPHD, and I'm looking at all of the different dividends that I've seen. Yes, we have decreased in the amount of dividends that we are getting. It's been up and down, give or take. But you look at it, it is a consistent payout. That's what I like to see. I don't really care about if it is dropping significantly, then I do care. But if it's not dropping that bad and you do see an increase in the dividend payout, yeah, I'm going to take that all day. So you look at this recently on September the 21st, they paid out 15 cents per share. That's absolutely phenomenal, right? I'll take that. 15 cents per share every single month. Now, if it was quarterly, it would be a different story, but since it is a monthly dividend paying stock, it's going to be amazing for you. So 15 cents per share every month is going to be great depending on how many shares you actually have. So you keep going down, you can see that they've been paid out a dividend consistently since 2013. I love that. I absolutely love that. So when I think about this dividend paying ETF, are they going to do something for me? Am I going to be able to invest some money into them and expect a return? Yes, I think I will. I actually invested in them a while back, but it was more of a quick investment because I seen the movement in the day. I did a day trade with an ETF, and it really came back, and it would have bit me in the butt if I waited a little bit longer, because I was actually up $1,500 or $1,400. It was up about $2 in that day, and all of a sudden it started to drop. So I ended up selling, and I sold for about $1,000 gain. So I was happy with that. But I should have held on to them. I would have gained $117 every month from the dividend paying ETF from SPHD. So I kind of gave up a lot there, but I also would have lost in the long term. I would have lost $1,400 because it did drop from about 35 all the way down to 33. So I would have lost about $1,400. I had about 700 shares, which means every time I lose a dollar, I lose $700. That's how it goes. Simple math. But yeah, SPHD looks like a very solid buy. I'm definitely going to throw some money into them as long as things stay consistent, and I'm going to keep looking at some history. I always like to look at history and focus on the daily move, and especially with like long term, I like to focus on, you know, the daily move, weekly move, monthly move. I like to see how things are progressing, if it is steadily increasing over a long period of time. So that's my analysis of SPHD. Let me know what you think about SPHD. I think it's a solid buy. There's a lot of people out there that think it's a solid buy. When it comes to dividends, it definitely looks like they're paying out. Their history is really good when it comes to the amount that they're actually paying out each and every month. I haven't seen them skip a single month here, so it's definitely great to look at. But yeah, let me know what you think about it. I know there's a lot of people out there that are analyzing different dividend stocks and different stocks in general. And let me know what you think about this ETF. I'm really interested to hear exactly what you have to say. But that's my video, guys. Make sure you hit that like button. Make sure that you hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you're always aware when I post a video. And get your free stocks down below, whether it's Robinhood or Webull. Get your free stocks. You don't want to miss out on this opportunity because obviously it could be valued up to $1,400. That's going to be amazing for you if you can get that. And even if you can't, it's free money no matter what. So go ahead and check that out. They always have promotions going on, so it's not only about that. You can also get other people to sign up. They have a promotion going on right now where you get 3 people to sign up. You get like 15 stocks. So they always have something going on. So definitely check them out. But that's it, guys. I'm going to get out of here. And until next time, I'll see you guys later.